Everyone remembers how sometime back the Congress party flashed Rahul Gandhi posters flaunting a sacred thread worn by him and described him as Janeyu Dhari Brahman. But today, his very own party is strongly objecting to Janeyu and cutting the sacred thread of students in a state ruled by it, least remembering that Congress was also the one that believed in promoting hijab. Yes, we are talking about the Karnataka Congress government. Very recently, during the common entrance test for admission into various engineering and medical colleges in Karnataka, some of the students who were to appear for this test were told to remove their sacred thread before entering the examination hall, while one student who refused to remove his holy thread was not allowed to appear for the test. The most horrific part has been the alleged cutting off of the holy thread of one of the other student. These incidents took place in the Shivamonga and Bidar region of Karnataka. In one such incident in the Sai Spurti College Examination Center in Bidar, a student named Suchivrat Kulkarni, a resident of Chaubara, was allegedly denied entry to the mathematics CET paper because he was wearing the Janeyu. According to complaints from the student's family and community members, the exam center staff refused to allow Kulkarni to write the paper, citing his attire as grounds for disqualification. But one should not forget that this very Congress government in Karnataka once lifted the ban on wearing of hijab as part of minority appeasement effort and now is opposing the Janeyu. After lifting the hijab ban, Congress leader Priyank Khadge, who is the son of Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge, had then said, "I don't think the BJP is aware of the constitution. They should read the constitution. Any law or policy which is not good for Karnataka's progress won't be overlooked. If required, we will remove that law or rule." Interestingly, one remembers how in November 2017, the entire Congress portrayed Rahul Gandhi as Janeyu Dhari Brahman when his religious credentials were genuinely questioned. Though Karnataka Congress government has now launched a probe to inquire into reasons behind some students being forced to remove Janeyu, one needs to understand that wearing sacred thread is part of the 16 sanskaras in an individual's entire life. Yagnopavit Sanskar is the sacred thread ceremony done when a boy is initiated into spiritual education. Whereas in Muslims, this is not the case with hijab. Thus, how far is it justified to force an individual to remove a sacred thread worn by him around his chest and covered with clothes, which is not even visible from outside? And then again, that is not the case with hijab. The grand old party needs to introspect how, in order to appease a minority, it has started targeting Hindus.